Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect 4 monitors to a Dell docking station, you might be wondering whether it's even possible and how to set it up correctly without running into display issues. Multi-monitor setups can significantly boost productivity, but they also require the right combination of hardware support, ports, and system settings. Many users connect multiple screens but don't get the expected output because of limitations in the docking station or incorrect configuration. Once set up the right way, you can enjoy a seamless multi-screen workspace. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect 4 monitors to your Dell docking station successfully. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Dell docking station to power and your laptop. Step 2. Identify the available display ports on the docking station. Step 3. Connect each monitor using compatible cables or adapters. Step 4. Turn on all monitors and wait for the system to detect them. Step 5. Open display settings on your computer and arrange the monitors. Step 6. Confirm all 4 screens are active and adjust resolution settings.